We have the graph symbol GRT versus the dollar. This one being requested by Mr. J3F of the community. He's looking at a 4-hour daily, and he says, thank you, Dayman. Thank you, sir. I am Dayman. Anyways, looking at this one right here, we do have a fresh breakout out of the accumulation zone, that being right above about 94 cents, it looks like. And this one is looking good. Volume spike on the breakout. That is always a good sign as well. Daily RSI back in the bullish control zone here too. And I would be looking for a general target somewhere back down around your May breakdown points, which is about 120. Also somewhat in line with the white 200 symbol here as well. Expanding volatility is good alongside trend continuation. So we got trend plus volatility. Do we also have momentum as well? I suspect that we probably do. Let's just go double check it out, or go double check it out. I also can't speak in case you didn't know. Weekly's up, obviously. Daily will be up as long as above 95.75, and 4-hour will be up as long as above 89. So that is a rather good signal. If we go down here to the short-term time frames, this one's actually trending right now, freshly breaking out. There will be pullbacks along the way, obviously, but as long as this thing's above 95 cents, I have no real reason to believe that this is a fake out. Again, volume pouring in on this breakout, which is a really, really good sign. I'd be looking for this one to actually make a leg up over the next week or two to like 120 to 1.25 or so. The only way that I'd start to, invalidate that idea is if this thing came back down below about 94 to 9, let's just say 95 cents, easier to say right there. But for right now, very, 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 very decent. And even the 12-hour is kind of drawing in a bit of a golden cross, perhaps. Not today, not tomorrow, but maybe like mid-time next week. Also on top of that, 12-hour hidden bullish evidence right here and back into the bullish control zone is rather good. Again, alongside expanding volatility on this time frame as well. And all major moving averages are in a bullish posturing with positive slopes and chasing price action right now. It's typically a good thing. So this one, looks like it gets to join the party. It's certainly relatively weak, to be fair. Most of the strong altcoins are not just like retesting their May highs, but some of them are even making new all-time highs, which is incredibly strong. But this one, I suppose, a little bit on the weaker side, but looks like it gets to join in the rally as well. And just as an aside here, just as like a general thing, when you see something like this, the circles, the half circles, just as an aside, it's kind of sloppy, it's kind of silly, but as an explainer, here's your distribution, here's your accumulation. You want to see those sort of like rounded tops and rounded bottoms, just as a general sign. So this is a really good sign of accumulation right here. And your big break, of course, coming in right above that 3/4 mark. Lovely, very fucking nice, and good one for the graph. So hopefully that was helpful, sir.